In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a background image for your camera view in Blender. So let's get started. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Blender, and once your Blender is open, just select your camera just like so, and then at the top left, just go to the view option and just hover over camera and make sure set active object as camera is selected just like so. Now once you are in the camera view, you will see exactly what the camera sees. Now open the side panel by just pressing the letter N on your keyboard and choose the third option, which is view. And after that, under lock, make sure camera view is toggled on just like so. This allows you to move camera and adjust your camera angle easily. You can now zoom in, zoom out, and position your camera and object however you want, just like so. Once you are happy with the camera position, you can just go ahead and press N on your keyboard to close the side panel. And add the scene collection, make sure your camera is selected just like so. And in the properties panel, you will see an option for data object properties. Just click on data object properties just like so. And from here, make sure to toggle on background images and click on the drop down for background images and click on add image. After that, just click on open and select the image that you want to add as the background. So in my case, I'm just going to use my logo. So I'll just select it and click on open image. And now you will see it has been successfully added. Now scroll down in the data object properties just like so. And now you can change the opacity to make it more or less visible just like so by just clicking and dragging it left or right. And you can use the offset. So just click on the offset value and scroll to adjust your offset in the x axis, or you can do the same with the y axis also just like so. And you can even do the same with the rotation. You can just rotate it by just clicking and dragging just like so. And you can increase the scale also just like that. And you can even flip it on x-axis, or you can even flip it to y-axis. And you can also change the depth to back and front. So if I go to the front, the object will be the background, and if I go to back, our image will be the background. And that's it. That's how you set our background image for your camera view in Blender. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.